Kita mo ba yan, Sir Chief? Boom! Putang na, pangit ang mga piniture na stats.
Swap na lang tayo.
Na-feature si ano, silencer.
Paano ba't kasi SF? Papayarap ko to sa'yo, talaga. Ba't naman kasi SF?
A player
tayo, no?
is disconnected from the fight.
Nilalaban ko nga yung sip natin eh.
I'm way ahead.
Kung ibang pinik mo na hero, papayarap ko to sa VR.
Of course.
Beno Cancer, oh. Masarap mag-Beno Cancer dyan, oh.
I gust onward.
Oh my god. Pindot. Naglag.
Come on.
Kita mo ba yung ano ko? VR ko? Style to na yan.
As the wind blows.
Featuring Turbo Games.
Not yet. Let's do this.
Uy, Pudge Wars. Patay na si Pudge. Aray ko, be!
Bago patay kayo dyan. O yun na. GG si JJ.
Ano yata?
Oh my god, I'm dead. Joke lang.
Di yan, malit lang. Sino kasi Tiny?
Malit lang.
Malit lang yan.
Purpose set.
So, ayun, hindi ko makukuha.
As the
Palit kayo ni
arrow
ano,
flies.
Rasta, sabihin mo kuya.
Versus
I'm
die.
under attack.
It all comes down to this.
On it.
Ayaw niya.
Already moving.
Taman. Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya.
Buwahan na lang. Ayun na, bumaba.
Cardio.
Of course.
Ano pa siyang TP? TP siya, ayaw niya gamitin.
Bago leap niyo. Para siyang tanga.
As the arrow flies.
Para siyang uti ng Chinese.
Oh shit.
I go.
Para siyang uti ni sino yung sa ano? Sa Hangover.
Leaves in my wake.
Si ano? Anong pangalan nun?
Mahalo nung hype na yun.
Late Oten.
Late Autumn.
Eh, gago. Hindi ako mapag-creeps dito. Mahirap.
Already moving.
Yan, turuan mo lang.
I gust onward. On my way.
Lah, may promo pa.
I'm way ahead. On it.
Diyos. Bakit ang right click niya? Ba't ganun? 53.
Pretty sure it's this way.
Mahirap na ako yung creeps.
Let's do this. Come on.
Napul ko na.
Sige,
As the
boss.
arrow flies.
Deny ka na lang, boss.
Oh,
Ito
On
dyan.
Ay, gago.
with my eyes closed.
Perfect last eating. Tangina mo pag na, tinulungan mo pa ako.
All who step onto the battlefield risk this ultimate price.
Of course.
Sana si Tiny, boss. Wala na si Tiny. Nabigyan mo kasi malit Oten eh.
Already moving.
Wala akong stun ah. Mamaya pa, level 4.
I gust onward. Leaves in my wake.
Buti siya.
I go.
Hindi naman pugni eh.
Come on.
Parang ang papa mo.
My purpose set. On my way. Ah. Pretty sure it's this way. I'm way ahead. I'm under attack. As the wind blows.
pa? Balik ka pa?
Hit my back.
Okay,
Come on.
joke lang.
Leaves in my wake. Hey, guess what? My range
Ay ko be.
on my way.
Gago din.
As the arrow flies.
Lock.
Oh. Already moving.
Gago eh, tinakabuisit kay Sep eh. Yung lasting presence
As
niya.
the wind blows.
Lakas ng damage ang Torre.
Pretty sure it's this way.
Ano, tapang to.
You distance.
Ako, patay ako kuya.
Grabe, hindi mo ba nito? Putong
Ay,
hindi
gago ka!
mabot! Ikaw pa din nag-guard. Ilolotos kita eh.
Eh, may ano ako, may stick ako. Hinihintay ko ano yung anchor smash yung tide. Mag-full skill ko lang yung pugno, di ko nakita.
I press onward. I go. Of course. I'm way ahead. Let's do this. Oh. My feet are light.
Ay, gago, tatry ulit ako kuya.
Heal ka
My
muna.
purpose set.
Ikaw na nga maghawak na ito.
Lee, I'm under attack. Like the wind.
Ayun mo, sakit.
On my way. Just
Uy, konting
sailing
respeto
along.
pug na. Tangina mo eh.
I gust onward. Come on.
Kaya yata itong move.
Go for the kill.
Ay, gago ka!
Gago!
Hindi ko napipindot yung
Gago,
stick
huwag mo nang
ko.
tipirin. I-spam mo na nga agad. Ayop ka, sayang yung dalawa mong deaths.
Something bow. And the super pointy arrow tip.
Sino binuganan? Ikaw binuganan ng tide eh. Akala ko malayo ka sa ano, tide.
Huwag mo na masyado ipalog, gago. Sayang yung deaths mo.
Gotta shake this off.
Double damage.
Nagulat nga ako nung matay ka eh. Akala ko, ano ka lang,
Find some
full HP gano'n. 7
On
minutes eh.
my way. Pretty sure it's this way. I go. I'm gonna have to think of a as the wind blows. Here, take an arrow. As the arrow flies,
Pull ako ah. Don't die.
my point. Of course. I'm way ahead. On it. Already
Oh,
moving.
deny oh, deny.
Let's do this.
Tide
Kaya
to.
tayo. Wait lang.
Later. Let's do this.
Ipog na siya.
Wind
Mid.
blows.
Sobra.
sana.
On my way.
Radiant's courier has
Check
been
this
slain.
one.
Lumis, bad trip.
I'm way ahead. As the arrow flies. I gust onward.
Kunin ko yung stock na yan.
You should have run.
Kaya tatong bubon to.
Layo.
Uy, ni Ravage! Putang ina mo ni Ravage! Tayo. Please mag ano ka na. Putang ina.
Ang galing.
Kay blame mga lamang. Hindi ko alam magkukumit ng Ravage tsaka yung mag-isa. Mamamatay kasi siya eh.
Ako yung stock up.
I go. Leaves in my wake.
Takan pa kita siya. Ito may stock. Yung camp.
Calling it.
Nandun na yung creeps. Nasa torre.
Look to your top tower.
Already moving.
Hindi pa mamatay yung ano.
It's not time.
Hulo akong TV. Gago. So,
Of course. I'm natural.
ito na lang ako.
Of course. The laws of man don't apply.
Tinipian lang ako na ito. Harp to.
On it.
Nalilito ako. Kala ko si
My
Opal si
purpose
Zeus.
set. Bounty.
Ito, stock ko din.
Let's do this. Almost
Ay.
there. Come on.
Lapit ka na lumayas sa lane, di ba?
I'm way ahead. I gust onward.
Uy, may streak yan. Oh, nasta ko dyan. Nasta ko dyan.
Enemy's middle tower.
I go.
Join na ako sa kanila.
Oh, join ka na dun. Pa-farm lang ako.
Not yet. Already moving. Pretty sure it's this way.
Your middle tower faces a terrible test.
Wala sila. Wala sila.
That which protects also requires protection.
Bye-bye. Check this one.
Oh, bunto rin din na. Oh, narabi siya naman ako. Sabay pa ako. Dalawang support para sa carry. Pwede na, di ba? Sabay DC, yun lang. Ano, matitira ka sa offers.
Another shot. One for all of you.
Wala na naman. Wala akong maraming best na ako namatay. Dalawa lang. Walang rabbit yun.
Dami nila eh, no? Kompleto.
2 minutes.
Leaves in my wake.
Item na sniper. Nag-trades? Ano yung bibilis ka, Adi?
A battle seeks resolution.
As the wind
Tatlo.
Your middle tower faces a terrible.
Nakadagger na.
that distance, no problem.
Bakit? Tama.
Already moving.
Mukdaw oh.
Pretty sure it's this way. Peace out. Of course.
Illusion.
On my
12 na.
way.
Ilang TP? 10 seconds.
Oh,
5.
on it. Leaves in my wake.
Lumamang pa tayo dun. Bumaybak yung Pudge. Pudge mid eh.
As the arrow flies.
Alam mo to si Pudge. Patay to.
Bye-bye. How about blindfolded?
Putang ina mo. Ay tumama.
I
Peke.
go. Brain reset so early. Feeling wisdom before my eyes.
Si Pudge umakyat.
Learn to share. I'm way ahead.
Patay yata itong Pudge na to.
My purpose set.
The enemy attacks your middle tower.
Die back.
Well, it was kind of expected, right?
Nagrabe siya ano. Pawalan. Manakbo.
Come on. Let me
Saan ko yun eh?
check this one.
Your tower is under attack.
Leaves in my wake. Learn to share.
Nag-ravage, nag-ravage.
Oh, nag-ravage. 2 minutes pa. Tingnan mo kulit. Ay, hindi kong pakiusapan. Yan yung Spectre.
As the wind blows.
May mecha ako.
The enemy's bottom tower has been demolished. The enemy's top tower brought to ruin.
Ay,
Do we
mecha.
have one of these? Hope not. Oh. Pretty sure it's this way.
Igrips pipe na lang ako.
Already moving.
Aura Gaming.
My purpose set.
Uy, regen. Ano ba ito si Zeus?
Of course.
Kanya ba?
Oh, I can do that every time. As the arrow flies. That distance up.
Ito na mo, tatalunin ako.
Do this.
Buti hindi ako namatay sa spec.
Better watch my step.
Babaya tayo spec eh. Up. Wala.
Pretty sure it's this way. Already moving.
Ano? Kailangan ko patch.
I gust onward.
Papuntan ka?
I go.
Saan nga ako?
On my way.
TP ako. Lalakad mo ako. Bibili nung ano?
Dito sa akin, Kuya TV ka!
Bay pa din ako.
Moving.
To your bottom tower.
Naglalag ako gagi na.
Sobrang lag, gago. Sobrang lag.
Naglalag ako, yes.
Oo. Naglag ako nun yung pagkapatay sa tatlo.
Bitaw yung ano, converge.
Can't be worse than here.
Pagka-assassinate sa akin, naghang ako. Putang ina, hook. Nadamay pa si Opol. Uy, palag pa daw oh. Putang ina.
Ang buhay.
Okay lang yan. Nadamay ka, in-hook si Jesus.
My purpose set.
Yun lang, sir. Keep warded.
Of course.
Balikan ko na lang yan.
Leaves in my way.
Panaparm to.
One for all of you.
Your top tower is under
Wind
attack.
blows. Let's do this. On it. Check this one. Enough playing.
Dire have fortified their structures against attack. Your top tower is under
I
attack.
was born for this.
Nagkasi.
Advantage.
I'm way ahead.
Ayun ko
Top tower has been overcome.
On it.
Baka nandito.
Learn to share. Leaves
Nakasubok
in my
ata.
wake. My feet fly. Come on.
Putang ina mo, nahook pa ako. Bad trip.
You can't outpace me.
Turn, dyan ako. Guys,
Uy, tong ina, nahook na naman ako! Toybok ako dun. Yung sniper, idiot build, nag-carry build. Post 5 yun eh. Uy, gago. Walang panakbo yan, putang ina mo dapa. Isa pa. Ultra kill, baby. Boom, rampage. Nakapatay na isa. Si Dr. Tikul.
As the wind blows. How about blindfolded? Mm-hmm. I'm a natural.
Kasi ako nahook ng punch, bad trip ang putang ina.
Oh,
Over eh.
already
sa
moving.
flat.
I could do with
Gust
more of
on.
that.
My purpose set. Pretty sure it's this way.
Ganda ng words natin, no? Slant line.
As the arrow flies. I go. One for all of you.
Active na ba? Gagawang bagal mag-farm niya, ano?
Day.
20 minutes orchid.
Try this on for size. And with that distance, no problem. Let's do this.
Pipe.
On my way.
Naka-pipe. Jesus. Mid laner nila.
I'm way ahead.
Very cute. Ang tampal-tampal.
I run like the wind. My purpose set. Make room. At them. Wind at my back.
Teka na, Sir Kit. Damay sa hukay.
Dumit sa akin dyan.
Parang ano siya? Clean. Uy, gago, may di na.
I go.
Gago. Tinama na rumaga.
Wala kasama yung pool. Pero may ravage pa.
Shabu pa. Shabu pa. Shabu pa! Kumaba kang ina nyo.
Of course. On my way. Already
Eh,
moving.
may bote pa ba?
Structures are fortified.
Wind's rising. Pretty sure it's this way.
Uy, sinugod daw ako. Bobo to.
I'll get onward.
Ay, putang ina mo! Dumating si Pudge! Dumating si Pudgy! Wala naman mag-deward. Putang ina, pagtatampalin mo. Uy, isa pa. Idol. Tatampalin mo, si Pugna. Isa pa. Tatampalin mo. Break. Pagkita. Another G?
The enemy's bottom tower is
Wanted that to
gone.
go better. I'm way ahead.
Converge bap.
As the arrow as the wind blows.
The enemy's middle tower
I
passes
just
into
on.
history.
Check this one.
Ito yung hindi makakaiis.
As the arrow flies.
Your top tower is under attack.
On it. Make room. It's okay. What else have I got to do? Oh. Pretty sure it's this way. Of course. Leaves in my wake.
Takin lag.
Lost GG.
On my way.
Gago.
Uy, palo ng 50 packet loss.
Uy.
Gago pa tayo.
Ayan.
Packet loss.
Lalag ako sa...
Mm-hmm. Nothing
Patay na naman ako nito.
Already moving.
The enemy's top tower falls.
Hindi na lang ako pipe. Aura-aura lang ako di sa
My
larong.
purpose set.
Ah, saan ba?
Let's do this. I go.
Uy, idol. Nasaan na yung Roshan mo, idol? Hindi namin to kaya. Ano pinag-Roshan si
Papatayin ka sana yung tide eh.
Primal
Gigil ako sa
Beast?
tide eh. Gigil ako sa tide eh.
Kita mo ba yan? Lakas ko bumawas oh, 1,000. Kita mo ba yan, Des? 20-20 ang puta. 20-20. Tatalo na niya ni Shaman! Advance, tira mo, tatalo na niya na yan.
Bottom tower is under
Fake news, tangin ng Shaman, pinaya mo ako.
Ayun na!
Eh.
Gago!
Sabi sa'yo,
You asked for it.
gago, hindi mo lang natakot na, hindi pinatay si ano, Opals.
Come on.
Rumespect. Hey, Padshi,
is now
hukin mo.
Leaves in my wake.
dire structures.
Ang tangin mo.
Tara!
Tali yata yan. Pag... Bakit? Gugunuglo ako. Nagsasalita ba yung tropa natin? Hindi nagsasalita.
Wow. I hope their theater goes as well as I can.
Enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
My purpose set. Check. As the arrow flies.
Sa akin. To DPS.
Already moving. Like the wind. What can I say? Nature loves me.
Tormentor
What can
kaya.
I say?
Tormentor kaya aakyat.
I'm way ahead.
Tormentor tayo. Baka naman magka 1-4 lang. Baka may pambili.
Blows.
Ay no.
Those carefree days are.
Baka sabihin na naman si Opals bumili ng shard eh. Nakakampi eh.
Bakit?
Shadow Print. Kiras ka na lang kaya. Kiras.
My way.
Ano, panic na ako.
Boom. Ay! Putang ina mo, Gabin!
My purpose set.
Nakwente pa siya eh. Uy, sarap. Dami lotus.
You'll never know, I'm losing hope, cause she's so lost in the stereo.
Whose embrace.
Yun na. Tampalin mo. Tampalin mo, idol. Tampalin mo. Tampalin mo.
Tara,
Lulutusan
kapit yan.
Lulutusan kita. Uy, hindi na hook. Sa laki ni Primal Beast, hindi na hook. Hintang, ano mo, wasak. Idol, nakalis ka, wala na. Uy, kalma, sorry pa. Torihan mo na.
Let's do this.
Lotus.
Papatay sana ako ng papatay eh.
Sorry mo muna para
Hindi niyo ako
makasunod,
pinigilan.
makasunod kami.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Wala yung Roshan, di ba?
Territory is
I
ripe
go.
for gain.
Boring game! Kulit mo eh. Uy! Buyback! Grabe yung buyback natin, Pugna. May nagawa ah.
My purpose set.
Ice ba yun? Rasta? Ice ba yun? Ice ba yun, Rasta? Di mo napiran. Patay na. Pag lagtas. Patay. Ano mo? Ooh. Fight. Ooh. Sarap.
Outpace me.
Your
Pretty
bottom
sure
tower
it's this
is
way.
under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen.
Putang ina. Wala ako. Boom.
Gagong taas ng packet loss ko, ba't ganun?
Converge. May pitik.
Kishi kishi meow meow, kishi kishi meow meow meow. That distance, no problem. I go.
Putang ina mo.
Okay ah.
Let's do this.
Tide Hunter ba yun? Parang dilis lang ah.
Leaves in my way.
Parang dilis lang. Bilang mo ng Divine! Idol! Divine! Mamaya mo na yung tapalin, bilang mo ng Divine! Bilang mo ng Divine!
Of course.
Tingnan natin kung makakawanit ako na.
Oh, dali.
Kaya natin
Mamaya mo na
makakawanit
tapalin yan, bilang ka Divine.
My purpose set.
Dapat pala nag-Vladimir na lang ako.
Leaves in my way. Let's do this.
Rapira na, rapira! Game! Game! Tatatalpa ka na!
Let's check kung makakawanit ako.
Unang bara pa lang!
Rampage daw. Rampage.
Gago ka
Tara,
na
tara.
bumilaw.
Already
Smoke.
moving.
Ito, tingnan natin kung makawanit ko to ah.
As the air like
Ah, fucking hell, man.
Ba't hindi ano, nag-crit? Gago!
Pasaway mo, Paul. Rarampaging ko.
Tara.
Tara.
Ayun na.
Fight lang ako. Gago kayo.
Tangay na, wala kang...
Ay! Fucking hell, man! Gago, patay kayo. Nakatibang yung sniper Reno.
Hindi ka tumagal sa ano. Content.
Ikaw yung inatake ng fountain eh. Nahook eh. Tangin ng yan, Divine.
Hindi na fountain.
Divine Reaper went wrong. GD na yata muna yan. Nagpaparamdam si Converge. Comment ko itong tropa natin malupit. Gigil si ano eh. Si Rastaman, gigil. Parang bagong laya, si Rasta.
GG muna.
Tapang
GG,
eh, no?
GG. Tapang nga.
Parang
Nakakatuwa panoorin.
parang bagong laya. So grabe yung mga daggeran niya eh. No vision, dagger in. Tapos, dalawa pa yun ano, hinehex niya, tapos sinasakal siya magkaibang hero. Gigil. Ha?
Gigi mo na.
GG.
GG muna. GG.